I messed up today. But I will fix it. I promise. Are you sure about this, Ben? Trust me. I know what I am doing.
Uncle Ben is here. Are we leaving now? I have been ready for 1 hour.
Listen to Uncle Ben. Stay together.
We will, Mom. We promise.
Drive carefully, Ben.
Always. You can trust me completely.
Call us if anything happens.
No, you're not dystopian.
Nothing will happen. Relax.
Wow. Is this really yours?
Of course! It is brand new.
It is so shiny.
It is also very, very fast.
I am a little worried.
I am a little worried.
Me too.
This feels amazing. I love this car. It is very low to the ground.
This is nothing. I can go faster. Yes! Go faster, Uncle Ben. I always control my speed very well.
I do not believe that.
Uncle Ben, there is a police car behind us.
Oh no! Uncle Ben, there is a police car behind us.
Oh no.
You were driving much too fast, sir. I am very sorry, officer.
This is not funny. It is a little funny.
A little faster is okay, right?
The speed limit is fine, Uncle Ben.
I know a shortcut. This will save time.
Are you sure about this road? Uncle Ben, something feels wrong here.
It is fine. Just a little further.
Uncle Ben? Are we lost? Just a little. It is very hot in here. My throat is already dry.
Just a small mistake. We will turn back now.
That is a good idea, Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben, something is in the car.
What? Where?
Get it away! Get it away from me! It is right next to my head.
I got it! I got it! Hold on!
Ah! Please watch the road!
That was too close. I am really sorry.
Please, can we just go back now?
We are going back. I promise.
No more shortcuts, Uncle Ben.
He is not answering his phone.
Call him again. Keep trying.
Something feels wrong. I know it.
I am sure they are fine. Uncle Ben, look at the sky. That changed very quickly.
It is raining so hard. I am scared.
Stay calm. I will find somewhere safe.
There! Look over there! A supermarket!
We can wait inside until the storm stops.
I cannot feel my hands. It is freezing!
Come on, inside. Quickly. Finally, it feels warm in here.
Good. We stay together. Understood? I need to charge this. Just a few minutes. We will stay right here with you. Can I just look at these snacks?
Stay close. Do not go far.
We should stay with Uncle Ben. I am just looking. One moment. I think we are lost. Me too. Do not panic.
Paul! Elora! Stop hiding right now! This is not funny anymore!
We need to ask for help.
You are right. Let us find someone.
There, the information desk. Come on. Good idea. Let us go. Excuse me. We got separated from our uncle.
Of course. Come with me. I will help you.
We could not find him anywhere.
Don't worry. You did the right thing coming here.
That is my name. Oh no. Oh no, no, no! I thought I lost you both. Are you okay?
We are okay. We asked for help.
You remembered. You stayed calm and smart.
Mom told us. Always ask for help.
Thank you. Really, thank you so much.
You are welcome. Keep him close.
99 missed calls.
Is that Mom?
Ben.
Where have you been? I was so worried.
Lily, I am so sorry. The kids are safe.
Are they really safe right now?
Yes. Right here with me. Are they really safe right now?
Yes. Right here with me.
I will make this up to you both. I promise.
How will you do that? I saved her.
I will take you somewhere really fun.
Like where?
Wow! Look at this place!
It is so colorful.
See? I told you! I always fix things.
You are the best, Uncle Ben. This is so fun. I love this. You look very happy now.
I will hit you first, Uncle Ben. Come on, then. Try me. Gotcha. That was a good hit. That was lucky. Absolutely lucky.
I touched your car. I did it.
Hey! That is not fair.
Pick anything you want. Both of you.
Really? Anything? This one. I really want this one.
Good choice. Now let us get ice cream.
Thank you, Uncle Ben. This is the best.
I feel much happier today.
Much better.
Me too. Now let us go home. Mom is waiting.
Yes. I want to see Mom.
I will just get the car. Okay. We will wait here. Finally. What a day. Time to go home.
Uncle Ben! We are not in the car yet.
Uncle Ben! Stop the car!
Oh no. Not again. I am so sorry. That was really bad.
You forgot us. Again. Actually, it was a little funny.
Just a little. Very little.
That is where I parked it.
Uncle Ben, the car is not there. Hey! That is my car! Stop! It is being towed away. This is a restricted area, sir. You parked in the wrong space. I was only inside for a short time.
The sign is right there, Uncle Ben.
I did not see it.
That is on me.
Just a bit more. We will be okay.
My legs already hurt. No more shortcuts ever again, okay?
No shortcuts. I promise. Never again. Taxi! Over here! Please stop!
It is stopping. Finally. Long day?
You have absolutely no idea.
I think I am going to fall asleep. Me too. Just a little more.
I need to pull over. Something is wrong. Why? What happened? The tire just blew out. I am very sorry. Of course it did.
So we are walking again.
We are walking again.
Did you hear that?
It is probably nothing. Stay close.
It was just a cat.
I knew that. Uncle Ben, do not even
R-A-A.
A-H.
You scared us for real. That is not funny.
You should see your faces.
I think I recognize this street. We are almost there.
What happened to all of you?
It is a very long story. I messed up today. But I fixed it. Sort of.